Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and I'm here once again with my Jeep Shadow Trooper to talk about chase lights. Do you really need chase lights if you're not in a desert or in a dusty area? I think you do. No matter what kind of trail you're on, whether it's in the evening, it could be dark, it could be snowing. I think having a little extra visibility from the back of your vehicle is a good thing because it allows other vehicles to see you on a trail. Sometimes it's hard to see around corners or if you're above or below the elevation changes. Chase lights come in handy. I know Brad from Trail Recon put some lights up here. I thought it was pretty cool, but I wanted to find something a little different. I don't want to put lights down on the bottom of the bumper because it doesn't really help with visibility. You want to keep it in your eye level, kind of like your third brake light, right? So after searching around online, I found a company called Auxito, and they have some flush mount lights that I think will work out perfectly for what I was trying to accomplish. So as I mentioned, I want to keep the lights in your eye level. So I wanted to keep it and try to find a way to get it near my third brake light. Now I did remove the light from above the tire and I put it down here because with the larger tires, you really couldn't see the brake light on top. So I do have the Mopar third brake light relocation bracket. So I was trying to find a way to mount these things. I ended up 3D printing a bracket for both sides that allowed me to attach the lights to it. And I'll turn them on here in a second. But the cool thing with these is they're programmable. The back of the light has 3 wires. You have a positive, negative, and then you have a yellow wire. The yellow wire, if you touch it to the positive, will change the pattern of the lights. So there's many different patterns that you can do with these, from a fast strobe to a low strobe, and these both have amber and white lights on both sides. I did alternate. I have white in here with amber in the bottom, and then amber on top and white in the bottom, so they alternate a little bit. And overall, I think it came out pretty clean and looks pretty good. Now they are going to flicker a little bit and they are flashing, but it's a very slow cycle between amber and white side to side. While I did film this during the daylight, they are very bright, and here's a quick clip of what they look like in the evening. And as you can see from a distance, it does allow some extra visibility on the back of the Jeep just to draw a little extra attention. It doesn't look as bright on camera, but I can assure you they are very bright in person. And it's nice and subtle. It's not a bright flash. It's just a nice slow flash back and forth. And it looks nice and clean. Again, they're flickering a little more on camera. They're not doing that in real life. With these lights, they're amber and white. Therefore, you have visibility in all conditions. Whether you're out in the desert or out east or anywhere between, I do think chase lights are a good addition to your off-road vehicle. It does allow some extra visibility. With the added visibility, hopefully you won't have any issues with collisions or accidents on the trail, but by having a little extra light in the back never hurts anything. I'll put some links down below. It is an affiliate link, so anything you do buy from there does help out the channel, which is very much appreciated. As always, I appreciate everyone viewing and subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I do answer all questions. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.